I wanted to do a video on this portable white noise machine. If you notice here, it has an on and off button, and there's a little baby crying emoji looking thing. That's for a baby crying detection mode this thing has. It says the present volume, sound, and light settings will wake up from sleep mode, or in crying detection mode. It'll wake up from sleep mode and last for 30 minutes when the baby is crying, and then the device will restart crying detection mode automatically. And low battery means it's blinking, red light is blinking fast. Charging is just a red light. Fully charged, the indicator turns off. And that is this. And I tried to do a video a minute ago and I had to turn it back off because I couldn't get it to work. This thing must not work while it's charging, because the minute I unplugged it, it started working. So it won't work while it's charging, even if you turn it on. It's off there. See, it's on. It doesn't work. Nothing happens. So let's unplug it. And you can see there it's charging, the red light. That'll blink fast if it's low. It's regular red when charging, and then the red light turns off when it's fully charged. Let's see. Right. Oh, did I turn it back on? I played a minute ago. Oh, there it goes. That's as high as it goes there. Heartbeat. I like that. I would say a baby would like that. That's a shh sound, according to the paper here. That's white noise 1. This is white noise 2. This is supposed to be wave sound. Back to the birds. And then back to the rain. Now I'm going to turn it down at the lowest. Now when you hear that little ding, that means that's the lowest setting. That's the heartbeat. You can barely hear it. That was the 2 lullabies. I think these may be mixed up because it says there's a fan sound after the lullaby, but this is the shh sound. That kind of sounds like a fan, even though I think it might be the white noise. That's a white noise too. The wave sound. I think this was the rain. Yeah. That's as low as it goes. The bird. I don't know, that sounds like the rain, so I'm not sure. I'm not sure that these are in order on mine. So, anyways, it's a lock mode. I'm not sure what that's about. And then the timer, which is the 30 and 60, I guess. See it lit up when I clicked it. Clicked it again, and then I turned it back off. And then let me turn these lights off for this. The light that I still have my overhead light on, but you can still see it. This is nice for a baby's room, or even just for somebody an individual. I have a white noise machine in my room. I like some of the sounds on this one a little better than mine. But yeah, overall it's pretty nice. And it does have the hanger if you want to hang it somewhere in the baby bed, or, you don't have to, but did it get low? Looks like it got lower when the higher I have it. The light? No, I think that was just a coincidence. But anyways, there it is. I like it.